Alright, we're back on the 88 K5 Blazer. Now we are doing the AC lines for the vintage AC system, and we opted to do the easy hose clip. So normally when you order it, they sell them in SureFit kits where everything is predetermined where it goes and your hoses come crimped. Sometimes if you have little changes, since the hose is already crimped, you can't manipulate it and make it look as good as it should. So Vintage Air offers an easy hose clip, and what it is, it's just a bunch of fittings that have double barbed and dual O-ring. So you shove them in here, one end, you set the cage in, and then you got two clips that cramp around it, and then that holds all the pressure. So we'll get one end put together so we can get our measurement, and then we will show you how easy it goes. All their kits come with a little bit of mineral oil for the O-rings, lube everything up. Put two clamps on. Shoves on there, and all this is a Kevlar rubber hose, and then it's got Teflon inside, kind of like a high pressure fuel line, except they use it for AC. And then you put the cage in like this, and even though that it's on there, you're still able to swivel this around, so you can put it on a 90 there, and you can use your hose clamps or insulated P clamps to put everything where you want it to be. So this is coming 90 off of the firewall, so I know I'm going to put the bands on the inside. Then it comes with the band crimping tool. Well, it doesn't come with it, you gotta buy it extra. Hear that click, it's in there. Bam, so now the finish that you see is this coming out of the firewall. This is coming down. Some guys put bigger heat shrink over this so you don't see any of the banding, but I think it looks just as good. So even though that it's on there and crimped, you're still able to move this around. So if something changes or you have to use a different bracket, you're still able to run it the way you want and have it look good instead of the crimped one. So I'll get a measurement on this and I'll show you how easy it is to cut it, and then we'll put the other side on. Stay tuned. Cuts that easy. Pick up this guy that I dropped. So we got a 90 coming out of the evap, and then this is going to the core support condenser, so this is getting me straight. This guy here, make sure all the O-rings are lubricated up. Find our right size clamps. Push it all the way down. Some orientation. One hose down and up. So we got number 6 we got to build, a number 8, and a number 10. So I'm going to go through and make these up, and then the final will put you on in the engine compartment. You can see how nice everything lays in. Alright, easy hose clips, condenser all made, running up to the compressor, heater switching valve, bulkhead fittings going into the Blazer. Easy hose clip, worth the money.